Alright, so I decided to build a set of islands on this particular map, so it means I'm going to be making a lot of changes here. But this is going to be called Heartland, and this is, I think, going to be an intensive build. The first thing I have to do is remove all of this, well, not all of it, but most of this land around where my island is going to be. That's going to make things a lot easier, so we're going to do that right now. Okay, so I wanted it to drop down in here. Now this is going to be like a chain of islands over here that we can build on, and I don't want most of the islands to be that big, so we want it to connect back here, because the main lines coming into the city are going to come from here. So we're going to have all of this land around here and all the way up through here. I didn't mean to take that out, so let's put it back. So all of this is going to be islands. All right, so let's get this work done. And I've got my little pad here at the largest setting, 1,000 at 100% to try to make it quick. But this is a large area because I am playing with everything unlocked, unlimited funds, all of that, because I'm not right now about the whole gameplay thing. I have this vision of this city in my head, and I am gonna have to build it. And the first thing I have to do is to get rid of all of this and let the water come in. Okay, as you can see, we got some stuff in here that's buried underneath all of this ground. I don't know how people create maps. I'm assuming that they probably have used a map that had stuff on it. Now I'm deleting all of this stuff out for reusing, because I want it all to have the water in it, and then I can figure out where my highways and stuff are going to go so that they look like bridges and stuff like that. So okay, so these things that are still showing, I'm going to zoom in on them. Let's see. Yeah, so this is some kind of building. Let's see what it is. Old mill ruins. So yeah, we don't need this, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. All right. I'm not gonna worry about the trees, because I think the trees are going to be covered up in the water, and if not, well, okay. So cairn O2, don't know what that is, but we don't need it, so bye-bye. All right, let's see what this thing is. Doesn't really matter what it is, it's gone. Here we go. All right, there's something over here. I don't know, it might have been cool to leave it and let it be underwater. Yeah, this is some kind of ruin. I mean, you can't see what's under the water, so will it really matter? I don't know. Let's leave that one. Let's see what happens. All right. So I'm gonna move back here so that we can see this water as it comes in. I keep wanting to swap my screen because this right here looks like a bug, but it's the air traffic thingy coming in. I had moved all of the power lines back to here. I don't know what that is, but that's not going to be covered up by water. But anyway, here we go. I'm going to press play, and let's see what happens. Oh, shit, that worked fast. Look at that. Okay, so all of that has filled in. So let's get in low. See, so all of these trees, you can see the tops of them. It's amazing to me. I mean, the texture of the water. I'm gonna hit play so we can see what the water looks like moving. Isn't that crazy how realistic it looks? I wonder if there's ever a whale jump about. That would be an awesome thing to have in some of these. Okay, pause that. So now we see our whole map. I go back here to the land. Okay, so we are going to connect on this side to start our island. So what we need here, because I want this all to be highway, I'm going to do a 3-lane highway in both directions. And this highway is literally going to run straight across. So all right. Boy, we were looking at it way back. Okay. So in order to get our... Okay, so now we have the 2 arrows for going out and coming in. So Folkingham, which makes sense. Okay, so Folkingham, we'll probably change these names to heart-related, romance-related sort. Okay, so what I want to do here is where we want to have, our highway, but a bridge. 2-lane, 3-lane, 1-way, suspension. And I don't want it to be low because the suspension bridges need to be kind of high. Okay, so hold up. Okay, I want it paralleled. Thank you. Okay. Overlapping. Right. Why does it say it's overlapping something? What is it overlapping? Okay, see, I ain't got time for this shit. Distance too short. Okay, but now it's telling us. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I ain't got time for this right here. Okay. Yeah, this isn't going that far out. But I do need to make sure that it's straight. Come on, give me 180. That's straight. 6 miles. Okay, so our highway is 6 miles from shore to out there somewhere. Okay, and then now this is the thing. Will it let me? It won't let me do that. Will it? Oh, maybe it will. Oh shit, bitch. Oops, I cussed. Sorry. Okay. Well, look at here. Now, why won't it? Why is it pink and distance too short? Oh, okay. Really? With this? Okay. It's just really not working for me. Wow. Okay. Slopes too steep, clearance too low, overlapping items, distance too short, and water. Okay. Gotcha. So. Oh, you know what? I didn't raise this up anyway. Damn it, Kimberly. All right. This is what I'm going to do. This will make it a lot easier. It won't let me do that. Oh, because I'm on the wrong one. That's not what we want to do. This is a lot of area. Okay, so you know what? Let's just do it all. All right, so all right, this needs to be a little bit higher here. Let's bring this down. We do not need this at 1,000. Let's go down to 250. Yeah, that means I'm gonna have to get down low so I can see it. All right. Oh, okay, that's because I had it at 100%. We don't need it at 100%. Let's take it down to 50%. All right. See, I wonder. Okay. I see. I see. I see. I see. We did this. I have to do it from that end. That's not where that's supposed to be. Okay, hold on. Okay. Love it. All right. Wait. All right.